Daghan ba ka og oras o baka ha naglibog ka kung unsa imong buhaton sa imong free time? Don't worry babe, I got you. Daghan kang pwedeng himuon sa imong free time nga layo sa realidad nga imong gisagubang. Apan, magdepende kini sa imong hilig o trip sa kinabuhi. Ingon man nga kung gani ganahan ka nga mosuway og mga bag-o, busa i-push na kay dili kapugngan. Kung hilig ka og nature, mamahimo ka nga musaka sa bukirang bahin ug antusa ang hangak kaysa ulahi, worth it ra ang tanan. Maanindot nga talanawon, presko nga hangin, layo sa saba ug sa hangin nga adunay sagol kemikal. Basin, ikaw ang tipo usab sa tawo nga hilig maligo. Idi unsa pa ang imong gihuwat, magpasapa na o baka ha magpadagat. Daghan pa ang pwede nimong himuon sa imong free time nga layo ka sa realidad o sa stress sa trabaho o ingon man sa obligasyon sa kinabuhi. Ski, dive, skate, bike, surfing, play instrument like piano, guitar, etc. Play football, basketball, tennis, takyan, langit lupa o daghan pa. Mamahimusab nga, musayaw ka o baka ha mukanta. Always remember nga mubo ra ang kinabuhi, busa, paglingaw-lingaw bisan pa man sa gabundok nga responsibilidad sa kinabuhi.
And so I seemed to please people better if I was working. So I just felt like working was better than enjoying. So until I was almost 50, I actually felt guilty pretty much anytime I was enjoying myself because I thought surely there was some work that I should be doing. Probably lots of somebodies that if I don't say this to you, you will sit here and you will not enjoy this entire conference because you will be thinking about all the things that you probably should have stayed home and done that's going to be waiting for you when you get back. Now, I don't think it needs to stay there forever, but that doesn't mean that you can never take a break from work. Actually, you will work better and more efficiently if you do take breaks and do things that you enjoy. I've even finally gotten to the point where I take little 5-minute vacations throughout the day. I used to go from thing to thing to thing to thing to thing to thing to thing, and I've gotten to the point now where if I like after I work out with my trainer Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Well, I'm tired when I do that. Well, my next thing is to go get cleaned up, so I would go straight, take a shower, start doing my hair and all that stuff. Not now. I go to my recliner for 5 or 10 minutes and recover from the workout. Then I go to the next thing. Mini vacations, how they can restore you and refresh you and literally help you enjoy your day, even though a lot of it is just taking care of mundane things.
Bombo Jonah Kanyati para sa number 1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines. Basta radio, Bombo!